Good morning, Miss Abalos. How are you feeling today? Are you ready for another try?
I'm not sure, nurse. My legs still feel ache. What if I fall again?
Falling is part of learning. What matters the most is that you keep trying. I'm always here to guide you until you can do it by yourself. Take it slow. Let's take step one at a time. Focus on shifting your weight. Alright, there you go. Very good. You're moving better than yesterday. See how your balance is improving?
Really? I could stand again. Maybe next time I'm joining the marathon.
Well, maybe not a marathon, but who knows? Each step you take today brings you closer to move on your own. Okay? Okay. Step two. Slowly.
It's hard, but it's still good try. I almost gave up after the stroke. I thought I always depend on others.
Well, that's why we're here to regain your strength and be independent. You're doing great, Miss Abalos.
Thank you, miss. You make me believe I can actually do this.